Hello everyone and welcome to this video. I will show with you step by step how to apply Lululemon code. So friends, if you want to apply the code, go to this Lululemon codes and then click on the men, choose any product you want to buy, for example bags. Click on the bags here. When you click on the bags, just wait, choose the bags you want to for example buy. For example this one, choose any item you want to buy, click this icon. After that, when you click on this icon, just wait, click on this icon, click add to cart, this option. When you click add to cart, you will redirect it to this page. Just wait, go to view checkout. When you click view checkouts, friends, as you can see here, you will see this page. You will can enter your promo codes from this page. So go to Google, search for Lululemon codes. As you can see here, copy this code. When you copy, paste here, as you can see here, copy this code, and you can start using here. As you can see here, copy and paste here. After that, you can add your all details, your address details, as you can see here, shipping details, and complete your payment process. So this is how you can do copy codes and paste here, as you can see here, and this enter promo code section. I hope this guide helpful for you. See